What's up, y'all? Some of the most easiest, coolest, and funnest things to make are socks. You're missing out on a ton of money right there, too. Look, schools need them all the time. Basketball teams, football teams, volleyball teams, soccer teams, racquetball, tennis balls, all the balls in high school. They all need a pair of socks. Businesses, they're good for parties, you name it. Someone's always going to need some socks. And they're a humongous moneymaker. I know when you go to the mall, you run into a sock store. At least when I do, I'm inspired every single time, which is what happened today. Me and my son went to a sock store, and I was like, man, what do you want to make when we get back to our shop? So let me show you how to make some quick pair of socks right now using some buddy paper. That's my sublimation paper. If I'm not talking about the buddy paper, I'm talking about who? Craft & Bestie sublimation paper. Let's go. All right, so I just downloaded a simple image. These are for my brother. We're going to use my brother. These are not for sale. These are just for content and a gift to my brother. He's a humongous fan of the Oregon Ducks. So I've imported these images into Photoshop on a template that I have down there. There's 4 square boxes, which obviously is going to be the front and the back of these socks. And all I'm doing is printing these bad boys out on some buddy paper. Yes, my buddy paper. We'll talk about that at the end. I used the ET 15000. Prior to this, I had the 2720, but it was too small for me. But look, something as simple as an Epson ET 15000 converted by adding some sublimation ink on there and some buddy paper. Again, if it isn't buddy paper, then you have to go use Craft & Bestie's paper. These are the only 2 papers I'm going to be talking about. All right, we've got ourselves a pair of socks right there, some custom jigs. These are my favorite jigs, custom jigs. I don't like that cardboard box jig stuff, but they'll work if that's all you can get. These are the preferred settings right here. 395 is my heat, medium pressure, 34 seconds on each side. All right, y'all, so the print is done. As you can see, it's 4 sides, front and back. I'm going to cut this down so we can put these on these socks and get these socks done. All right, so we've cut it all down. These are our 4 sides. Let's put these socks on the jig. Put these on top in a second here. All right, getting them on the jig is so super easy. Take that in like that. Slide that bad boy on. Oop. Let's see. Super easy. Then what you want to do on the back side right here, you see that little thing there? Fold it inside. I take the ends right here. See those ends? And I like to make it even, right? So I'll go and fold. Just like that. Same thing on the opposite side. Right there, right? That's all you gotta do. Do the same thing on the second jig. I take some butcher paper. Obviously, I've done a pair of socks prior to this one. You see a little green there. But anyway, some fresh butcher paper. Lay that guy down right in there. Boop. Take your second one. Same old thing. All right. Now, all I'm going to do is take my transfer that I've cut out. I'm going to line that guy up. Let me see. I know that I cut them right, so they're going to go like this. Boop. See, and it lines up perfectly, right? Same thing with the next one. I want to make sure I'm covering as much of the white that's left on that sock as possible. Bam. Right there. I don't need any paper over the top to cover my buddy paper at all whatsoever, so you can just press it just like this. Nothing over the top. Now that we've got the artwork on top of the socks, let's go ahead and press that. Here we go. Nice and easy. All right, here we go. Let's check out the first side. Yeah, and these are some of my favorite things on this earth to do. Check out the first one. Boop. There you go, simple as that. Look at that ink release. That's how much ink release, almost nothing. That's what you want. You want all that ink to hit that garment, that sock or whatever, doing sublimation. Boop. Look at the second one. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take that sock. You see this corner right here, or this edge? We're going to take that edge. Yeah, it's a little hot, but my fingers are used to it. You get the concept. We're going to take this edge and fold or roll. See, roll the edge. We want to bring as much of this over here around the other opposite side so that when we lay it on there, you don't have any white showing on the side of the sock. All right, so I'm going to do that really quick and show you what that looks like when it's done. All right, so this is what it should look like when you get done rolling those sides, just like that. Add the transfer to this side as well. Boop, line straight up. Ooh, right there. All right, bam. Grab the other one. So once I press this with those sides rolled up, you won't see any white on the side of that sock. Let's finish this off the opposite side. It's really easy and really quick to do. All right, here we go with the opposite side. Finish off these here socks. The reveal. Boop, boop, boop. Bam. There's that one. Whoop. Bam. There's that one. There's the ink release. Whoop, whoop. And just like that, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you make some socks. Both sides are done. Let's move this over here. Bam, bam. Both sides, right? Look at that. Pop. Look at that. Pop. All right. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that. And then what you can do, get yourself some sock bags just like this. It's got the size label on there. Put those in the sock bag, man, and sell that. Look how professional that looks. Although I'm giving them to my brother for free. I'm not selling those. Don't come for me. These are just a gift. But I thought I'd show you really quick how easy it is to make some socks. And they look outstanding. They look beautiful. They look professional. You can sell these in a store, sell them online. You can create a sock business from your home or from your office space like mine now. And look, and get some buddy paper while you're at it. Thank you guys for watching. Let's go.